Just got another flash flood watch in the last half hour. I know, it could be worse. At least I'm at the camper. Could be at work or something like that. Those hammocks sure look comfortable, don't they? They are really nice. Those were cheap Wish or eBay ones. And they're like that parachute type material. They're very comfortable. They're definitely worth the money. Just filled up the wood pile. Got a little bit left over in the wheelbarrow. And a little bit left over there. So we went and got the load of wood. I don't know, maybe like 4 or 5 days ago. Haven't been able to use it yet. And it's been raining like this for a while, so yeah. Sure gonna be looking forward to that. I've got a bunch of videos to do outside. I have a bunch of reviews to do with some fire starters that I've had for a long time now, months, and just can't get it done. This is what we deal with. Alright, so let me show you this. It was literally 5 minutes ago, not even, that I ended that video, that last clip. And look at the water ponding already. Look at this. We are getting some rain. So yeah, look at how this is ponding. It's not even been 5 minutes since that last clip.